different. Gonna be out here in the woods. Got some wood chopped on the front. Made up some hamburgers. Gonna use the little grill my dad made and gave to me. Girlfriend was on my case that I wasn't taking her anywhere when I go four-wheeling and stuff. It's just been solo missions for me lately, so we decided to come out here tonight, have a little cooking and stuff, so take it along, I guess. Just made up a couple green teas, let the fire burn down before we cook up some hamburgers. Got the burgers cooking here now. You want to take that? We got some cheese. I was going to show up in the GoPro. Pickles, tomatoes. Cheese buns. Trying to get these into us before the lights go on, right, Dom?
Right.
Yeah, that's when the bears come out. Got a creepy old house right here. Dom's convinced that there's a serial killer living in there, breaking branches. But, should be okay, right?
No.
No. Yeah, burgers should be done pretty soon. Not sure how well it's going to show up on the GoPro. Pretty dark. Got that and some green tea. Couple more burgers cooking. Should be good. Burger good, Dom?
It's good.
Perfect. So we just finished up there. Heading back to the house. We're not far. Maybe 15 kilometers or so. Good night. I wish we had some more light, but got someone else heading up our way right now. It's crazy how much these LEDs help out at night. I don't know how I drove without them before. I'll shut them off here and give you an idea. Pretty dull looking yellow for those. And I always found the Grizzly had good light, so. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up or send me a comment. I like hearing from everyone, so thanks again.